In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. This is a really handy feature that can help streamline your billing process by automatically sending reminders to clients about their pending invoices. It's a great way to ensure that your cash flow remains steady without having to manually track each overdue payment. Let's dive into the process and set this up step by step. First things first, we'll begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. You can do this by heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, choose the sign in option located usually at the top right corner of the page. After clicking on that, select QuickBooks Online from the list of products if prompted. Now you'll need to enter your login credentials. This is your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Once entered, hit continue to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to the settings. This can be found by clicking on the gear icon, typically located at the upper right corner of your screen. This icon is small but crucial. It's your entry point to configuring various features in QuickBooks Online. After accessing settings, click on Account and Settings. This section allows you to customize and control different aspects of your QuickBooks account. It might take a second to load, so be patient. Here you'll see several tabs on the left hand side. Navigate to the Advanced tab. You'll find this towards the bottom of the list. Clicking on Advanced will bring up additional settings that you can modify to better suit your business operations. One of these settings is labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on that. The Sales section is where we can fine-tune how we manage our invoicing and additional sales features. Within the Sales section, locate the option for Reminders. Click on it to open up the reminder settings. You'll see a few different settings here to explore, but right now we're focused on setting up those automatic invoice reminders. You should find an option labeled Automatic Invoice Reminders. This is where you can specify the parameters for the reminders, such as how many days before or after the due date you want these reminders to be sent. Once you have configured the reminders to your liking, the last step is to click on Save. This is often highlighted at the bottom or top of the page to ensure all your new settings are properly recorded. And that's it. You've successfully set up automated invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. This process not only helps to save you time but also aids in maintaining good relationships with your clients by keeping them informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment.